Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about top 3 easy strategy to clearly deny doing something when you really don't want to do, or to say no in an assertive way. So let's get started with the video. Wait, before we move on with the video, let me tell you that don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, because I come up with such amazing videos every alternate days and also some very good shorts each day. Before we actually move on to the tips, I wanted to tell that why am I shooting this video. The major reason of shooting this video is, in my own life, I always felt that even still it is a process, because nothing is perfect until you have to just keep on working in your life. So I always felt that one of the major time eater for me was not able to say no. In my first job, I had my boss who asked me to wait back for a long period of time after my work. So I always feel that I am obliged to do that because I'm working here, I'm getting paid here, I have my income coming from this particular organization, and I should be respecting that. But over a period of time, I started realizing that I and one of my friends, who was also a newbie like me, both of us were constantly being asked to wait back and sort out papers and do all those work which was not even there in my job profile. And I was not confident enough to decline waiting back and to decline doing things which I didn't want it to do. So, and it took me around a long period of time and a journey to learn the art of saying no. And in this video, I'm going to share that art with you of how to deny something which you feel is not good for you and you are not supposed to do that. So let's get started with our first tip. Let's say somebody has asked you to wait back, or somebody has asked you to finish working on this particular mini project or small task. Please finish that before you go off to home today. So you can decline in a polite way by saying that my plate is already overloaded with a lot of other tasks which are on higher priority than this particular task. I love to consider with what you are saying, but I don't think I will be able to do justice with enough energy and dedication to the current task that you have asked me to do. So this is a very subtle, simple and easy way to deny something doing. Of course, you do not have to go word to word and line to line to what I said, but yes, you have to sound the way I said. So this is one tip that you can follow. Moving on to the second tip, that please be unapologetic for guarding your time. You are the owner of your time. Your time is the most important resource that you have. You exchange that for money, that is okay, but you have to remember that you have to be unapologetic while you are guarding it. So let's say if you don't want to go out for a particular party with your friends, of course, you can say no. If they are your real friends, they will understand that. If they are not, they will. If your boss is calling you out for certain things on weekends, feel that you are not being recognized or given credit for doing any extra work beyond your working hours, or people are taking you too granted, or you are not getting the enough credit for what you are doing, you can be unapologetic for that. For God's sake, do not use the word "I'm so sorry, I won't be." Please don't be sorry for that. You have to be confident and tell them that I have some other family commitments on weekends, so I don't think I will be able to make up for this meeting, but yes, we can reschedule it on any other working day. So this is one very simple way to say no for it. So let's move on to the third tip. In certain scenarios, what happens that we are neither able to say yes or no. And that is the situation that if we say that yes, we don't know what will be the scenario. If you say no, we don't know what will be the scenario. So in that case, it is always the easy way to say, I'll get back to you with the answer. Give me some time. Right now, my mind is occupied with something else, so I'm not able to make this decision currently. This is one of the most diplomatic and smart way to deny or to just put a particular decision on hold without getting too impulsive about making that decision. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video, and share it with your friends. Take care. Bye-bye.